let's start. It's been like 3 or 4 days. Getting real easy. Hey everyone, T.F.D back here. In this episode, we're finally going to get down to the engine, transmission, and flush with the Amsoil Signature Series. I'm also doing the EAO oil filter for the Chevy 305. It is a, let's see, make sure it's in frame. It is a EAO 59 for the Chevy 305, and it takes 1030, 5 quarts. So without further ado, I'm going to get you a before and after. I'm going to start it up real quick, get you what it sounds like right now, and then we'll continue with the flush, let it out for however long it can run. I'll try 10 minutes or whatever it can do. I would wish I could do 2 flushes, but right now it hasn't had an oil change in probably 2 years, so I'm going for the good stuff. I've got it running good, so sorry for the delay. Let's start with let's just start. All right, see you guys. All right, without further ado, let's add the flush. Sometimes these are a little tricky to open up. There we go. Amsoil transmission and flush. Gulpa gulpa. Alright, now that that's in, let's start her up, let her run for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, while she's running, we're going to add the PI Performance Improver. Good for injectors, power, better MPG. Okay, I'll be back with you guys when it's done with the flush. Here we go. Hasn't been changed in a long time. Oh. Whoa. See, that's really watery. Check that out. how watery that is. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And see what it does. Come on, focus, you piece of junk. It's not really, but it delaminates it. Okay, so that it becomes a stream. So that's gonna be dripping like that for a little while, and you can see how dark it's become. Alright, so let me get back with you when it's done, and then we'll undo the oil filter. Yep, see? Just a drain, a stream now. I have no idea how long I've been struggling with this oil filter. I took this wrench and like one other. The space you have is very limited. So I got a screwdriver, poked the bottom and poked the side. Finally got the damn thing to turn. Excuse me. Check out how much room you got for this oil filter under here. Ow. You got the exhaust right there. And then you got like this inspection cover thing. So you literally got this much room to do anything with. So, you know, there's the hammer and whatnot. So, that's an update with it. Had a great time. See you probably when I'm filling it up. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay, let's continue that again. I was just getting it on and got a call. So, looks like it's threading on. So remember, hits the surface, and then, I don't know, another half turn. I just do it till it's snug. That you should never do it with anything else. There. That's as tight as it should go. Alright, let's fill her up. Alright, let's put in this Amsoil Signature Series 1030 into this nice running motor. Let's fill her up. Alright, I actually can't see anything. So let's put you on this side. I think I'm gonna need a funnel. Alright, be back. I couldn't find a funnel, so I'm gonna use one of Amsoil's coolant boost to do the oil. Yes. Let's get a nice shot of how nice. Now that you can. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let that drain there for a second. We can open another one. I don't think I'm gonna be able to open it though, one-handed. Oh, maybe. Kind of using my second arm to cheat though. Oh. There's that. Alright, let's pouring the liquid gold. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? You can hear it going down. Alright, start it up in a second, and we'll go from there. Alright, let's start her up. And a count of 3, 2, 1. Sounding better. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. There's no more clicking and clattering like there was before. It's already seeming like it's running better. I'll do a walk around for you. Yeah. Usually that works sometimes. Up. There we go. Looks like the lights burn out. Let's see if we can fix that real quick, because it's usually just a bad connection. Well, maybe not. Let me see if I can fix it.